Hey guys, this is Mailbox. Blender's default settings can be changed. For instance, the default cube often isn't needed. You can delete it by pressing X, and then save startup file. That way, you won't have to remove the cube every time you open Blender. Next, I'll share some default settings I commonly use. The first one is the system settings. This is where you adjust the interface size and choose the color picker type. You can refer to my configuration. Under Input, it's recommended to enable Emulate 3-button mouse. In Key Map, consider enabling Tab for Pie menu. Choose the right settings based on your graphics card. Although this is part of cycles, you might encounter a bug with Eevee. Sometimes the software crashes upon rendering, which can happen occasionally. But it crashes frequently. Try enabling various options to see if it fixes the issue. I usually set the undo steps to 64. Don't set it too high, as it can consume more memory. I set save versions to 0, which effectively turns the feature off. I prefer saving files manually, making it a habit to save frequently. If you want to use the autosave function, you need to configure. Set the temporary files path so that autosave will work. These are some commonly used preference settings. After making these changes, remember to click Save Preferences at the bottom left. Now let's talk about the interface settings. You can delete the default cube A. Then create a collection, so you don't have to do it every time. In the render settings, enable ray tracing. Set the output frame rate to 30 fps. This is very important. MMD motions are generally 30 fps. If you don't change it, it may not sync with the music later. In output, type 2 slashes. This means the video will be saved in the same folder as your .blend file. This is mainly for video output. You can change this to FNPEG. Then set follow scene. MPEG 4. H.264. These settings will output an MP for video. Switch to solid mode. Then set the color to random. When you have many models, random colors make it easier to distinguish them. I usually turn off the floor as well. Those are some settings I commonly use. Finally, just save the startup file, and you're all set.